Hello my watermelons. Today I'll be teaching you about a proper fraction, an improper fraction and mixed fraction. And I'll be teaching you how to make a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. But first we need to know what these fractions mean. A proper fraction means that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The improper fraction is the numerator is larger than the denominator. So we have 7 and 6. Yeah, it's the opposite of that. Yeah. And the mixed fraction is not something, it is something like that, but there's something over here. It's a 1 or a 2 or something. So just imagine that there's 2 circles or cookies, whatever you want to call it. And then there's 6 parts, maybe. Okay, wait, let me just write it down. Wait, no, there's no 6 parts, but it's 4 parts. So we draw 4 parts on each of them, and there's 1 there. So that means there's 1 whole. This is all of it. And then there's 3 out of 4. So there's only 3 shaded. And that is a mixed fraction because there's the numbers are mixed. This is if you don't know or forgot how to do division, then look up here. There's a division link up here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like there. Then we make a very long line, and I'm going to teach you how to make a mixed fraction into an improper fraction like right now. So the denominator is the same, so we just write 4. And then 1 times 4 plus 3. And that makes it into an improper fraction. So the improper fraction is going to be something 4. 1 times 4 equals 4, and then 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the improper fraction of 1 3/4 is 7 over 4. That is definitely an improper fraction because 7 is larger than 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I forgot to say that.